Hi, it's David Newton here. I have 93 videos on my YouTube channel. 36 of those are actually video shorts. So how is my YouTube shorts affecting my overall channel performance? Let's dive straight in. Now, since my last update, which was 12 days ago, I now have 72 subscribers. So that's actually going quite good. So that means I've gone from about 57 subscribers right up to 72 in 12 days. There have been a few losses along the way, but this is the net gain. And just moving straight along, it says here, I've got, as in the last 28 days, your channel has got 7,123 views. Now that doesn't include last night's added count, which is about another 1,400 views since then. We have a total watch time there of 31 hours of watch time and 23 subscribers. But how much of that is actually from the video shorts? Let's have a closer look. Okay, video shorts, we've got down here 7K of views. We've got shown in the shorts feed 22.9k there, 151 likes, which is pretty good, and we've got something like 16 subscribers gained as a direct result of my YouTube shorts. Now, my top videos really took off when I started doing something really different, and that is I started actually doing 10-second videos and doing quotes and really narrowing in on how I do my editing. So, for example, if we just look over here on the left-hand side of the screen, I put up one here to do with Elon Musk, a quote from Elon Musk. That is only a 10-second video and it got me 2,500 plus views. That was a game changer for me. I hate using the word game changer, but it's true in this case. So I went back for seconds. I did a Warren Buffett quote the following day, and that went up for 1.6k views. So it's 1,600 plus views just for that one alone. I followed that up with a Mr. Beast success quote. I put in 5 quotes on this particular one and just put up pictures there of him. Once again, it's me actually speaking to the camera and then recording that and then doing some overlays of some pictures. From that one, I got 246 views. Then I did something completely original again. I did a little tutorial which went for around about 40 seconds, and that is all about are you in the looking zone if you're an influencer, and is that going to get your results? That one got me an amazing 204 views, and then I went back to doing another businessman quote, and this one was about Bill Ackman, and he made a quote about being an investor, and I got so far 1.3k, it's almost 1.4k views for that one alone, so it's really quite exciting. Now, the really exciting thing about doing something like as video shorts, and particularly doing quotes like the Elon Musk video that I did, the Warren Buffett video that I did, and also the Bill Ackman video that I did, is that if you do a 10-second one, you've got to aim for editing right down to the very second. And that is, make sure that each and every second is accounted for that you upload to a video short. The better you're editing at this, the better results. Now, for example, my Elon Musk one got something like 120% retention rate. And my most recent one for Bill Ackman, that one got 98% retention rate, so it's just a little bit below. However, largely it's been hitting at around about 105 to 111% retention rate. That's gone quite well. The Warren Buffett one also got around 110%. So if you keep it around 110 to 120% or better, your video will take off. It'll go viral and it'll hit well, and it'll keep continuing, and make sure that you SEO it accordingly. I often get asked, does shorts actually affect your long form content and will it destroy what you're doing? My answer is no. That's just a fallacy. If your long form content is filmed really, really well and I go to every extreme I can to actually film my long form content best as I can, you will succeed. And I'm actually getting more views on my long form content because I've been doing lots of video shorts. So I've got quite a fair bit here on my channel. Have a look at some of it for yourself. And yes, my overall content has done really, really well. That's all for today's update. Please tune in about another week or two's time and check out some of my other regular long form content. I've got some exciting long form videos coming out very soon, plus some exciting YouTube shorts as well. This is David Newton speaking. Looking forward to seeing you again very soon.